Alright, Underdog ManCave. I just opened it up. Put the lid there. Taking a look. Well, it looks very impressive. I don't know what all that is. Looks like it's been melted or something. Interesting. It's going to cause an issue if I try to remove this gasket. I don't know why they've melted all that down on there like that. They got it glued in place over here as well. The taps over here. The wires are pretty nice. Interesting. We got two more spaces here where I could add more wire here to the aluminum heat sink. Same on this side. You got the two positives here and bridged between them, and four going this way, three going that way, and three going down here. And interestingly, the grounds are kind of weak looking. Can't really see underneath this board here, but they got quite a few of them going down into here. Interesting. Okay, we got this side and this side. This I'll have to study the layout a little bit, but it looks like that's one phase and this is the other phase, and they've put these boards on top. Why is that kind of crooked? Got some tape around it. Looks like a little heat sink on there. It's a little transistor in there. Interesting. And I do have the 48 volt one. 48 volt. But I'm not sure about all this. If I take this nut and take this off to take the top off so this can cool better, I'll be messing up what they've done here. These wires are awful close to that fan. Got some, I think some pull tie right there would be nice. I don't like these wires being loose. I think I'll put a pull tie right there. Get these away from that fan a little bit. These should be pull tied a little bit more. Now there's some minor things here, but she looks like she's going to work. I don't see any obvious damage or anything broken inside. 1, 2, and 3. What is that? Oh, that's some kind of a bus bar for the fans right there. Interesting. Interesting. I got a board on top of a board here. And here's another one over here. I guess that's the L, the display. And they got a master board behind it. A little dinky one right here. Alright, well, Underdog ManCave, I'll keep you updated on this. I'll post off these, I didn't see any where that Tapcon, or that threader was busted off, was back over here underneath one of these fans, and I don't see any debris whatsoever. I already put a screw in it, if you can see it way down there. I put a screw already in to, and over here as well, you can see that one way down there. Those are the screws that hold the bracket on the back. You got two screw holes here and here to hold the bracket on. One's for the lid and the other's for the bracket that protects the inputs for your DC current. Everything looks good. I don't know about it. I want to take this off, but I don't want to mess up the transformer. I'm going to talk to them about this. I want to know more about this. I want to know if I can take this off. I think it would run so much cooler. This thing only needs to be on there when you're moving it around so the transformer doesn't move around. If we can get airflow down through the middle of that transformer, that's going to help out a lot in cooling. I'm going to talk to them about that. Alright, Underdog ManCave.